In this video, we will go through a detailed guide of how receipts are generated from Graviti AMS and how to send them to your members. However, before we get into how receipts are generated, it would be beneficial to establish why it can be essential for an organization to issue a receipt. Receipts serve as proof of purchase and ensure that the transaction details are correctly recorded. This helps in preventing any confusion or disputes between members and the organization and assists with transparency and accuracy. By providing a receipt, the organization can maintain a record of their sales, revenue, and inventory, which is essential for good record keeping. This can be useful for accounting and tax purposes. Providing a receipt acknowledges the member's payment and instills confidence in them about the legitimacy of the transaction. It also allows the members to track their spending and keeps them informed about the payment terms and conditions and aids member satisfaction. Issuing a receipt reduces the risk of fraudulent activities, as it provides a tangible record of the transaction while protecting both the organization and the member from unauthorized payments or false claims. This will go a long way towards ensuring fraud prevention within your organization. Issuing a receipt is an added marketing opportunity for the organization, as it can serve as a marketing tool by displaying the organization's logo, contact information, and promotional messages. This can help organizations increase brand awareness and generate new leads. Overall, issuing a receipt is an essential practice for organizations, as it ensures transparency, builds trust with customers, and facilitates efficient financial management. Now we will go into how to record a receipt of payment on Graviti AMS. Any funds received for an outstanding payment will be issued a receipt. On Graviti AMS, any outstanding fee is allocated an invoice number, which will be linked to the receipt once it has been paid. Acknowledging payment from a member is done under the Invoicing tab. Under the Invoicing tab, by the Search feature, you will input the invoice number of the specific invoice that you have received a payment for. The invoice summary will be shown on your screen with the invoice number, member name, due date, amount, and status, along with the Action tab at the end. When you click on the Action tab, you have the option to select View, Set as Paid, Send Email, and Print. You will select the option Set as Paid. That will automatically take you to the Receipts tab with the invoice details. You must enter the total amount, and this will be the full amount of the invoice. Next, choose the payment method, either being bank deposit, if the payment was deposited directly into the organization's bank account, credit card, if the payment was received via a credit card payment using a POS or debit, if the member issued an instruction from their bank to direct debit their account, and credit the funds into the organization's account, then enter the member reference number. At the bottom, you have two options available to you, either to create the receipt or create an email. You can select the appropriate action, and once that has been selected, your invoice will be rendered as paid. This action will automatically create a receipt reference under the Receipts tab. Under the Receipts tab, you will see the receipt reference along with the original invoice number it was for and the details of how payment was made. Under the Action tab, you have the option to either print or email the receipts to the relevant person.